This is Bob Davis 321, back with my servo controlled arm, but this time I've wired it to switches instead of variable resistors to give it a much more steady control. There's rotate. Here's the second servo up, and then here's the third servo. Before I get too far down, I need to open up the arm. There we go. Now I'll go back to lowering it down. I gotta raise it up higher before I can do a rotate. Uh-oh. Miscalculated how far I can rotate. So instead of let's doing a rotate, just flip it right over backwards. Yeah, it'd be this one here. And now let go of it. Only if I get the right direction. As you see, I get much smoother operation using switches instead of variable resistors. And my battery's flashing, so I guess that's about all for now. There's my mechanical or servo arm working, lifting things and stuff.